Hello students, today we are going to learn how to draw a pie chart using matplotlib.pyplot library in Python. Here we are watching a pie plot. We have given an example. First of all, we need to know what is pie plot actually. The pie plot is a data analysis technique in which we divide a circle in proportion and percentage of the value of these variables, and the total sum of these variables is the circumferences of this circle. Here you are watching that student 1 is a first variable, student 2 is a second variable, student 3 then 4 are variables, and percentage of these variables are the total sum of this circle is value upon total value of this circle is called the percentage or proportion of any variable. So we are starting here by importing. We are using spider 3 of anaconda, so there is some uh, change in variables. Color will be maybe change as per the Python 3.7. Import matplotlib.pyplot and its object as plt. Plt will call a function called pie. This is the simplest way to understand or to draw a pie diagram or pie chart. Here we want to draw a pie chart showing the marks of the student, 4 students, and proportion of the circle by the value of this student or student variable. So first argument will be marks, second argument will be explode. Explode is a variable, I will explain it later. Then labels, then colors, as we have already used these attributes in various diagram using matplotlib.pyplot. Then auto ect, shadow, then start, angle. Now what are these arguments? We have to define here marks of 4 students. We will define in a list. I am giving here marks of first student 1, marks of student 2, marks of student 3, marks of student 4. These are the marks of the students. Second is explode. Explode is a tuple in which we write some values. We are writing here 0.1 means first portion or proportion or the shape of the student 1 should be separated from this circle, and the margin between these uh, portion should be 0.1, and all rest 3 portion will be adjacent. No need to give gap, so we have written here 0 0 0. Next is labels. Labels is student name equal to student I'm copying here student 1, student 2, student 3 and student 4. This is the label given to the diagram. Next argument is colors. So we have to define in a list, color list. I am giving first color as gold. This is the color given to the first proportion of student 1. Then student 2 is yellow green. Third one is light coral. These are the color defined in the matplotlib. Light coral. Last color I am giving here light sky blue. So this is the list of colors. Now we come to auto-packed. Auto-packed is an attribute which is defined by a percentage sign. Then we can write here any digit, then point mark or decimal, then a digit 1. Why I am doing here such changes? Because I want to display this percentage as in same way one digit after decimal point. So I have written here 0.1f, means fractional part will be displayed as one digit after decimal point, and before decimal point we can write here nothing or 0. So it will be taken or by the Python. Shadow equal to true. Start angle, we are starting here from 0. Now plt dot show. This is complete program. We have given marks, explode, labels as student 1 to up to 4, colors as we have defined here. Now we can run this program. Before that we have to clear the console. Now we can run this program. Look here, a diagram will be displayed in front of you. Here student 1, proportion of the student 1 is separated from the other 3 proportion of the student 2, 3 and 4, and gap between these 3 is 0. These 0 are denoted by here, gap is 0, 0, and for portion 1 is 0.1, 0.1 separated by other proportions. Now one more thing, one thing is to be noticed here, that axis, it is not a circle, it is like an elliptical shape. So we have to give here another function plt dot axis as equal. Now you can run this program. Now you will see the difference. This is a complete circle. Again, if I am giving here start angle as 90, then what will happen? Student 1 will appear here and whole the circle will rotate about 90 degree. Student 1 will be displayed here, student 2, 3, 4 this way. Another change is, if we want to give here shadow as false, then what will happen? Now look, the shadow part of the circle